Do you know you can actually start making money on TikTok simply by just uploading videos on their platform? So many people out there are making a lot of money from TikTok just by creating an international TikTok account. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can create an international TikTok account for free. TikTok is currently paying content creators who create and upload videos on their platform, and a lot of people are leveraging on this opportunity to cash out big time. So in this year 2024, I bet you do not want to upload videos on TikTok without getting paid. Now, there are countries that are eligible for monetization and there are countries that are not. And Nigeria is one of those countries that is not eligible for monetization on TikTok. Most of the countries in Africa are not eligible for monetization on TikTok. And that is why I'm making this video, to help you create an international TikTok account so that you can make money from every video you upload on TikTok. All this you'll be getting for free. You don't need to pay anyone to help you do that. So many people are actually paying for this, but here you are going to get it for free. So all you just have to do for me is to stay glued to this video and make sure you watch this video to the end to see how you can create this international TikTok account and start cashing out a lot of money for yourself. So if you just see me for the first time, my name is Chidi, and on this channel I talk all things money. So if you love what you see and would love to be a part of this community, ensure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Also ring your notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on any of our money making tips. And also I would love you to drop your comment right in the comment section. This will help YouTube push this video to as many as possible. You know, there are many people out there who may be yearning to learn how to create an international TikTok account but don't know how to do so. So once you comment, YouTube will help push this video to as many as possible so they can also learn how they can create an international TikTok account. So with all that said, let's get right into this video. Now, to create this international TikTok account, you'll be needing three things, okay? The first, you need an Android phone, be it any kind of smartphone. If you have an iPhone, any smartphone at all, you can use it to get started. The second thing you'll be needing is your browser and your TikTok app. Of course, without the browser, you can't access the internet. And the third thing you'll be needing is a VPN, a good VPN at that. So in this video, I'll be showing you the kind of VPN that I use that has been working for me for quite some time now. So what you'll be doing now is to go to your Play Store and download the Proton VPN. This is actually the kind of VPN that I use. I've been using it for quite some time now. Okay, so go to your Play Store and get it downloaded on your phone. This VPN allows you to access 3 countries for free, just as you can see on your screen. I can access Netherlands, I can access Japan, I can access the US, okay? But if you want to go for other countries, you have to pay for it. So like I said, there is a paid version of this VPN. So if you want to use or access other countries, you have to pay for it. So now head over to your Play Store and download this Proton VPN. This is what it looks like. Make sure you launch it on your phone. So whenever you want to use it, this is how to switch it on. You just locate this arrow right here and then you click on it and it will write for you connected. And then there is a sign at the top of your phone that will indicate that you are using a VPN already, okay? This sign looks like a key at the top of your phone screen, okay? Just like this one you're seeing here. So once you're done with connecting your VPN and switching it on, the next thing you're going to do is to use your browser. So you head over to your browser and search for tiktok.com. and then you click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be asked to sign up. Okay, so now you're going to sign up on this platform using your email. Okay, it's showing email or phone number, but you're not going to use the phone number, you're going to use sign up using the email. So now you go ahead and use your email and sign up. You create a password for yourself. Once you create a password for yourself, you are good to go. Your TikTok account will look like this one. I just created a new one just for the sake of this video. So even if you have an already existing TikTok account, you can still create a new one, okay, and still be using it. So now this is what it looks like. So what you're gonna do now is to now open your TikTok app, okay? So once you open your TikTok app, you'll be seeing your old TikTok profile, right? Is to click on your name. So once you click on the drop down there, it will show you add account. So all you want to do is to add account. Click on the add account and it will show you how to add account. You go ahead to impute the email address that you use in creating that international TikTok account and your password. Once you've done all of that, you are good to go. You've created your account already. So you go ahead and set your profile. Make sure you use good and attractive pictures. You start creating content. You start creating and uploading your videos. So TikTok can start paying it. So I'll show you where you can see your engagements, the monetization area. But before then, there are things you must not post on this account, okay? You must not post videos you have on your former TikTok account. They will be detected. It will be detected. So you just have to start uploading new videos, okay? And the second thing you must not do is you must not post content that belongs to other creators. That's if you want to earn money. You must not post other people's videos on your TikTok accounts. And lastly, you must not switch to business account. Remember, those that use business accounts don't get paid by TikTok. So your TikTok account is just individual. Make sure you are using it on your own. You just need to be real and you're posting your content on your own. Just be posting your thing and then you await for monetization. So if you want to see the monetization area and your engagement field, you just come to the top of your screen where you have the 3 dashed lines and click on it. You will see creators tool. You click on it, you will see monetization. You can upload videos that is 1 minute long to even earn more money on TikTok. Now for you to be eligible to start making money on TikTok, you must have 10,000 followers. Okay, 10,000 followers, which is very easy to get. If your content is engaging to your viewers, you will get followers very, very quickly. In fact, most YouTubers here drive traffic from TikTok to their YouTube channel. Okay, so getting followers on TikTok is even very easy than YouTube. So I bet you if your content is very, very engaging, you will get followers. And secondly, you must get 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Yes, this is their criteria for monetization. And you must be 18 years of age for you to be able to start making money from TikTok. So guys, that will be it for now. Like this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and also don't forget to drop your comment right in the comment section. Also share this video to your friends. All you just have to do is to copy the link to this video and then send to them or share it on your WhatsApp status. You may be helping someone who really needs this. So you send this video to them so that they can see this video and then do this thing by themselves. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video to this extent. Until my next video, have a great time.